What are plant-eating animals?
They are cows, goats, sheep, horses, buffaloes, giraffes, zebras, so many animals.
What are meat-eating animals?
Tiger, leopard, dog, cat, wolf, so many animals.
What are the differences between a duck and a pig?
A duck has 2 legs and can swim. A pig has 4 legs and can't swim.
What animals are you scared of?
I am scared of spider.
What animals live in the ocean?
They are fish, dolphin, whale, starfish, shark, so many animals.
What animals can you raise at home?
I can raise a cat, a dog,